Hey everybody, this is the professor with Day Trading for Success, the home of the $1 Million Margin Club. Pretty excited today to reveal our brand new scalping indicator. So a lot of you have seen us with the seller's indicator that I know you've been using, which is great. But today we've done one up, and I really want to thank Dennis, who's been working with us on that. So we've modified the seller's indicator into now what I'm calling the scalper's indicator. I've basically combined three scripts together with Dennis's help, and we've made this amazing script that we've been now checking and just to see how well it works. And it's really incredible. It's really the best scalping indicator I have ever come across, and I've been scalping a long time. So this is pretty incredible, and I'm about to reveal it. I want to make sure that you guys have read this. We are not a licensed financial advisor, so if you use this indicator or any of the strategies that we teach, the RV strategy, the escalator strategy, the open strategy, and of course we'll be doing a lot more. We're a teaching channel. We'll be strategy after strategy, and we do a lot of live trading, and everything here is free, and we're not selling you any courses, but we cannot be responsible for you, and you need to seek the advice of people you trust. For anybody you watch on YouTube, keep that in mind. Okay, so here's the big reveal. Hopefully you've read that. Here it is, guys. This thing is amazing. It's the star of our show today. So basically, as with the seller's indicator, the red line represents the sellers, the green line represents the buyers this time. All right, the blue is representing the volume. Now you have the percentage being called out for you right here. And then this is going to flip colors when it's the wrong way. This is literally telling you when to take a trade and then when to go the other way or sell. See, 24% going short right now. You should jump right on this and go short right now. Look at it. Stronger, stronger. You're already in the move. You're already making money. If you took the trade right now, you'd be making money. Already in the move. Now I combine the enhanced volume indicator with this. It's showing you the volume of the last candle and the existing candle. So now you can combine momentum with this. Now obviously you can get this on your chart another way, but in your face, along with these, this is very, very helpful. So already, if you jumped into this move with 10, 20, 50, 100 shares, you just made a bunch of money just by looking at this simple indicator. And as soon as it goes green, like when this turns around, this is going to tell you too, like in your face, like, hey, indecision here, maybe bank your money, see if you're going to get a big higher percentage. Okay, it looks like it's starting to tell you, you want to go long here. It looks like it's going long. Oh, I jumped on long. Here we go. Now I'm making money. Sorry, sounds almost patronizing. But I mean, it's so simple that we're so excited about for beginner traders how well this works. So let me go into a couple of things just to make sure, some questions you might have and some safety measures. Okay, first, safety measures. Obviously, this can flip fast. Still, you want to trade in a sim and get used to it. Still, you want to go low share size and not go, oh my God, it's all figured out. Like when we all first start trading and we have a couple good trades, we say, this is simple. Man, I'm going to be a millionaire. I'm going to quit my job. So it's not that. As with anything, yes, it looks very simple. I have to tell you, we've been trading it to like amazing success. I mean, amazing success. This is just like, it's a game changer. Now, some disclaimers here. Is this telling you exact data when it's happened? There's a slight delay. Of course there is. Guys, everything is delayed when you're on your platform, right? Even direct access like Lightspeed that I use, the information you get's slightly delayed. So your bid and ask are over here. This is happening. This goes through, into the market maker. All right. Then when the transaction's made, the time and sales registers it over here. By the way, I have that very tight because I just look at the colors when I'm momentum trading. But I put it up today. Most of you know this is the perfect 1 minute setup put together by the professional scalpers. We don't normally have time and sales on a 1 minute unless we're doing momentum trading at open, where we're looking at large blocks of red and green that help us make a decision going in or going out. If we're reading numbers like this, we're looking at usually a 5 minute. Well, you could do it on a 2 minute chart, 5 minute. And you can, of course, set these that it doesn't register every share size. You could do all kinds of things. But I may basically have it up here to tell you that how this is all reconciling to get over to the histograms. So all within, before you can go one, it's here. So that's how fast it is. So is it up-to-date data, the split second the sale comes through? No, but pretty close to the second, not the split of the second. So you can't get any faster. Nothing's going to show you the future, right? And somebody said, oh, I don't know what's going to happen. How do you know it's going to keep going? I don't know. Nobody knows, right? Now, obviously, you can predict with trend lines and, as you know, support and resistance lines, and we do a lot of different things to predict this. But, nobody knows for sure. But is this a leg up? Like you would have jumped on long here, you'd still have your position. As soon as you start to see it flipping, you get out. Or, hey, maybe you lower some of your share size. I mean, you see me selling and buying the complete full share size, so I make it very, very easy. Now, on hotkeys, where I normally trade, these don't take partial shares. Thinkorswim, you can't do partial shares on the hotkeys. So learning to just do your full share size is fine. You can make good money on open session doing the RV strategy, which I'm sure most of you have seen, and we have lots of live videos about that. The escalator strategy, we have a few. We're going to be doing more and more about that, which is basically a trend strategy. And then the open strategy, which kind of is a combination of both. And then after it breaks the pre-market high or pre-market low is when you're supposed to go in on that. So they're all live videos with live trading about these things, and then different ways to set up to get prepared for these. You guys should check out those videos. But now with this will work on any of those strategies or any other strategy you might be used to using for all the people that don't want to try the million dollar margin club strategies. But keep in mind, we're not selling courses, guys. We're just putting it out there. You can use it or not, and we find this. So here you'd be going short, obviously. Now you see it up here too, but this is giving you a quick read. This is giving you a quick percentage, like how strong is this? Hey, let me look at the volume. What's going on here? Well, I don't know yet. Is it going to be stronger than this one? And then if you have 5 candles in here, then when it gets over here, you're going to look over at the 5-minute, and you're going to see, is that green or red as this breaks? All these people are only trading on 5-minute candles, right? So they're looking at this, and when you get a leg up, if you're on the 1-minute, even if you're not trading the 1-minute, you should have it open if you're trading the 5-minute, right? Because you're watching this, and you're seeing, like, is this going to make this turn red? Because if it isn't, most likely a lot more people are going to jump on or stay in. Nobody's bailing. So this is going to help you make the decision based on, whether you ride this higher. Now you've got this looking at this, you're getting the perfect lineup. You're going like, wow, okay, this looks like it's losing its way a little bit, but this is bright green. So maybe this little thing isn't really a move down. This little dragonfly here isn't a move down. That's a dragonfly pattern if you don't know. So you're looking at your patterns. It's good to study those. In the RV book that's coming out, it's going to have a lot of the top 10 patterns that you should use for the RV strategy or for scalping. So you're looking at your patterns, you're looking at your 5-minute setup, and now, top of the line, you got this. So scalping just became a lot easier. Yeah, Dennis, I'm that excited about this because we've been testing it, and it's freaking me out how well this calls scalping. So I've tried to answer all the naysayers, but I understand it's not in the future. I understand it's a split second behind the data, but I don't know how you can get much better. And everybody needs to understand that it can turn around really fast. So you're riding that wave until you can't ride the wave. You're getting an edge until the edge gives up, and then get out, reassess, wait for a bigger move. A lot of people, hey, what do I do if I don't have enough money in my account I can only do 3 trades a week because of the PDT rule. Well, this is going to help you, because when you see this thing at rising up from 20, 30, 40, and you see this is lining up at the exact same time at the end of a 5-minute across here, and you see that, gosh, take one of your trades right then. That's a good thing as this is climbing, especially if you see this break this. Now you have momentum. Look at it, it's about to break at 41, 43. What's the count? Yeah, you still have 8 seconds. So now you have a stronger green move. Those all lined up. Boom. You dropped your 1 trade in. In a year you got 25K. You just stick with it. Stick with it. I know I made it sound simple, but you saw it happen. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited about it. I actually made a 60-second about this too to reach more people. As you guys know, I don't normally do that, but I'm so excited about this indicator. I think it's going to change a lot of people's lives. And I don't think I'm overselling it. So anyway, I'm not selling it. It's free. So see how you like it, you know. So again, where it says show more, excuse me, guys, where it says show more, it has directions, you know, below this video. All right. Thanks for watching. I have a bunch of other live trading ones I'm going to be putting out, and we'll keep it going, guys. We appreciate all the support, and we'll see you soon. Stay green out there. Be careful.